gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.
Today, we're checking out the OPPO A7 Pro Max Riding the Waves Accessory Edition. So let's unbox it and see what it's all about.
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
Right away, the back panel stands out with its light blue finish and a distinctive textured pattern across the lower section. It features a beautiful 3D embossed design that gives the phone a unique and eye-catching look. At the top, you'll find a premium full-metal camera module paired with OPPO's signature smile curve design. There's also a large customizable ambient light that can be adjusted for different notifications and situations. Moving to the front, the phone comes with a 6.78-inch flat display surrounded by impressively slim bezels that deliver a flagship-like appearance. The frame has a flat edge design, but the smooth transition into the back panel makes it surprisingly comfortable to hold. Considering this phone packs a large battery, the overall in-hand feel is really well executed. Now, let me show you one of the coolest design features of the OPPO A7 Pro Max. Here's a bowl of water, and we're going to place the phone directly inside. Since the OPPO A7 Pro Max comes with top-level water resistance, there's nothing to worry about. Once it's underwater, the back design looks even more interesting, especially the textured pattern, which creates a beautiful visual effect that truly matches the Riding the Waves theme. It's a clever and creative design touch that makes the phone stand out. Thanks to its excellent waterproof protection, you don't have to stress about everyday accidents. Whether it slips into water, gets splashed with a drink, or is accidentally left inside the washing machine, it's built to handle those situations without getting damaged. When it comes to durability and build quality, it definitely lives up to the reputation of OPPO's A series. So, what are your thoughts on the OPPO A7 Pro Max? Let me know in the comments below because I'd love to hear your opinion and discuss it with you. This is just my first impression after unboxing the device. A complete in-depth review is coming very soon, so make sure you stay connected with the channel, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.